Good morning, students. Now, today we start question number 6, exercise 6.1. Okay. Now, it is given that x, y, z equal to 64. Given that an angle x, y, z according to figure 64 degree. Okay, and xy introduce 2 point P xy to stand at P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray yq bisect angle zyp, angle zyp bisected by ray yq. This is yq ray bisected angle zyp. Find angle xyq. This angle and reflex angle qyp. This is reflex angle. These two angles we find out. Okay. Now solutions. According to question, because ray yq bisect angle zyp, then because yq comma bisects angle zyp. Okay, so angle zyq is equal to angle qyp. Okay, is x डिग्री सपोज कर लिया हमने. ओके, इसको हमने सपोज किया एंगल x डिग्री बिकॉज y क्यू बाइसेक्ट एंगल y z y p. नाउ अगेन x प्लस दिस इज x डिग्री प्लस 64 degree equal to 180 degree because sum of angles on a line is 180 degree. Now 2x degree is equal to 180 degree minus 64 degree is equal to 10 minus 4 6 7 minus 6 1 and 1 116 degree. Then x equal to 116 divided by 2 equal to 58 degree. It is equal to angle zyq equal to qyp. Both angles are equal to 58 degree. This is 58 degree and this is also 58 degree. Now angle xyq is the sum of x, y, z and z, y, q. Angle x, y, q equal to angle x, y, z plus angle z, y, q. x, y, z 64 degree, z by q how much 58 degree, sum of 64 and 58 1 2 degree, 8 plus 4 12, 6 plus 6 12 degree, 122 degree. Now this angle we find out x by q. Now angle QYP reflex angle. Reflex angle QYP is equal to complete angle 360 minus angle PYQ 360 degree minus angle QYP 360 degree, angle QYP 58. Now subtract 302 degree. Okay, so angle XYQ equal to 122 degree and reflex angle QYP 302 degree. This is your answer. Okay, so thank you.